Hello there. Before watching this video, go back and look at my video on trains and buffaloes. This video will be showing you further work once you have those. I've already shown you how to do versions of trains. The version we're going to be using now is the one where we do spring shuffle back, spring shuffle back. As I say, go and look at the video on how to do those first, because I don't want to repeat this for those who watch my whole series. So we're going to make one of these trains first and then tap spring toe hop. Then we're going to repeat it on the other foot, but you'll notice the foot's at the back to begin. This doesn't matter. Forward shuffle back, tap spring toe hop. Forward shuffle back, tap spring toe hop. Try and knit your feet and keep your feet quite together. You don't want them over here or moving around too much. So let's try again. Forward shuffle back, tap spring toe hop. Forward shuffle back, tap spring toe hop. When you keep your feet quite together and quite neat, it always looks faster and more complicated. This is what we always aim to do in tap. So I'll show you again. Forward shuffle back, tap spring toe hop. Forward shuffle back, tap spring toe hop. A bit faster. Can you hear how you're making a nice rhythm now? Always get used to listening to the rhythm that I make, and that's the tune you want to make. So I'll do it a bit faster for you. Remember, shuffles are fast. You'll never make a slow shuffle, only if demonstrating. So a little faster. And you can do those as fast as you like, but make sure you've got a tune rather than just a lot of noise. So know what's fast and what's a little slower. Now we're going to do the buffalo that I showed you in the other video with tap spring toe hop. So that's a little bit like your train to the side. Tap spring toe hop. Then we go the other way. So this is a travelling from side to side step. A buffalo isn't really ever done on the spot. Now add a tap spring at the beginning of that. Tap spring shuffle back, tap spring shuffle back, tap spring shuffle back. And the other foot, tap spring shuffle back, tap spring shuffle back, tap spring shuffle back. Now do one of those with the tap spring toe hop on the end. Tap spring shuffle back, tap spring toe hop, tap spring shuffle back, tap spring toe hop, tap spring shuffle back, tap spring shuffle back, tap spring toe hop. And you can make those as quick as you like. So you can make lovely combinations of all those steps put together in any way you like, such as turning. So see what combinations you can make. Ripple. Theory of a 3-beat ripple. Stand on one foot, pick up change, preceded by a forward tap. So we're going to do a pick up change, and as we go to land on the other foot, it's going to do a forward tap. I'll show you again. Stand on one foot. This foot's going to do the forward tap. As I finish in the pick up, it's very hard to show you slow. So let's try on the other foot. So now the foot that's in the air is going to do a quick forward tap before I land on it. And again. And they are usually done very fast. Theory of a 4-beat ripple. The same as before, but with a heel beat on the end after the heel tap. These are the ones that are more commonly used. And again, they are done very fast. So that's your theory for examinations, what you would say if you were asked how to do 3 or 4-beat ripples. The theory of a pullback. Pick up on right foot, pick up change left foot onto right foot, ball dig left foot. Now the exam theory doesn't actually tell you, but normally you would have your first foot, the right foot, in front a little bit. This is the way you normally learn them. So you're going to do a pick up on the right foot. As you're finishing that, you're going to be doing the pick up change on the left foot, landing back on the ball of the right foot. And then ball dig with the left foot. So we've got pick up with the right foot, pick up change left foot, ball dig. It's much faster than that, but I'm trying to really show you the feet. So pick up, change, dig. Pick up, change, dig. Pick up, change, dig. Pick up, change, dig. And they do normally travel backwards. Pick up, change, dig. Show you this way. Pick up, change, dig. Pick up, change, dig. Pick up, change, dig. Pick up, change, dig. A little faster. A little faster. Pull back from the balls of the feet. This is how you would say the theory for the examination. Pull back from the balls of the feet are performed as basic pullbacks, but start from the balls of the feet, knees straightening in the air and landing on the balls of the feet. And make sure when you say theory exams, you are actually doing exactly what you say, or you lose your theory marks. So basically these are more like a jump with straight legs in the air. The only difference is start on the balls, straight legs in the air like a jump, but land on the balls. So they're no different really, apart from starting on the balls and springing more into the air with straight legs. Theory for examinations for toe clip. Stand with feet slightly apart, lift the balls of both feet, clip the toes together and finish with a ball on the right foot and a ball on the left foot beat. Theory for examinations on heel clip. Stand with feet slightly apart, lift the heels of both feet, clip the heels together and finish with a heel beat right and heel beat left. As I've said in a previous episode, this is where different types and styles of tap shoes come into play. The worst taps for heel clips are what I'm wearing today, a Cuban heel and these are my Oxford taps. So if you was doing a routine with that, this is when you will be better with flat heels that come out as far as the tap shoe. So you will not hear the heel clicking when you have heels Cubans that slant inwards. So all the videos I've talked about will be linked in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe if these are of any help for you. And I always appreciate if you comment and let me know what you'd like me to do. If I don't get your comments, I don't know what levels you are or what type of videos you'd like to see more of. Also, do you want more of other dance subjects? I tend to do mostly tap only because they seem to be viewed more. So let me know what level you are, what age you are. Is this something you're just learning now, or are you a professional, or are you looking at how to teach? Let me know and I can make videos just for you. So until next time, goodbye.